How to easily create an Instagram account. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application. And then in here, if you have already an account, simply type your username and password to log into your account. But if you want to create an account, tap on the create new account option. And then in here to create an account, you can either use your phone number or email. But as for me, I'm just gonna use my phone number. After that, tap on next. And then in here, we'll have to wait for a confirmation code. Once we receive the code, simply tap on the next option. And then in here, you will be asked to set your password. So as an example, I'm gonna type here a sample password. After that, tap on next. In here, tap on save option. And then after that, you will be asked to set your birth date. Once we're done setting the birth date, simply tap on the set option and then tap on next. In here, we'll now have to add our full name. So I'm just gonna type my name here. After that, tap on next. Once you're done adding your full name, you will be given a sample username. You can either use this one or edit this one. So as for me, I'm just gonna add a number. And then after that, tap on next. And then in here, tap on the I agree option. And then we'll just have to wait for a little. And then here, we'll have to tap on the create new account option. And then after setting that, you will be asked to add a profile photo. As for now, I'm just gonna skip this one. And as you can see here, I now have created my new Instagram account. All I need to do is to proceed setting up my account. And then in here, we're asked to follow few accounts. So as an example, I'm just gonna follow 5 accounts. After that, tap on the follow option. So as you can see here, I'm finally done setting up my new Instagram account. So that's how easy you can create an Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you in the next one!